What's up, everybody? Happy Friday to y'all. It was a nice, quiet day in the market. Uh, we came back down, and as y'all know, as I've been saying, I was heavily short, so we made a ton. I'm back in cash. So, for our strategy, the first thing we're going to do is market up or down. Today it was way down. So, do we want to buy or sell? For me, I'm looking to buy, right? So, let's refresh the scanner. There's nothing on there. So, is anybody getting frustrated yet? It's been a long time since we bought anything with this strategy. One thing hopefully you'll understand is that when the market comes down to this area, as it probably will, we don't know for sure, but it probably will. All of these up days that we didn't buy anything, you didn't miss out on nothing, even if you think you did. The gains will be taken all back. And that's why it's important to use a long time frame and compare against the market. So we don't know what'll happen. The market could rocket up come Monday. We don't know, but the screener keeps us out of trouble, and it's just my job to stay patient and keep at it. And also that's why I have other strategies. But when you first start out, you can't do everything. You have to start out with one strategy, and this is the simplest one I know. It freaking works. So as you can see, the other two plays that I'm working on that aren't connected with this strategy way outperform the market, right? The market was down 1%, and these plays were making money or flat. So as we get more into the journey, we'll start introducing other strategies and things for you folks to learn and then make your own decisions if it's going to work for you. But the only market condition where this strategy with this screener doesn't really work that well is when the market is going straight up, and it pretty much has been. Now, the market has pulled back today, but that's not enough. I mean, we're looking for deep value valuations on good, awesome businesses. So it's going to have to come back more, or earnings season and earnings will have to go up. So for right now, it's nothing. Enjoy your weekend. Hopefully you're in cash. I have a bunch of cash right now. I have a few positions on, but I got a bunch in cash. So I'm just waiting right there along with y'all. And we'll check her again on Monday. Just for a little overviews, I'm trying these new lines. I don't really like them, but it allows me to have more moving averages. You can see this is the 200 here. So this is the reason why, one of the reasons why we turned around, and you can see the RSI here. So that's why I was short. So you kept hearing me talk about going short. Well, that's exactly why, and it worked out beautifully this morning. But I don't know if I really like the lines. Maybe I'll look around and try to find something else. All right, this is the weekly. Huh. We're running into a roadblock here too, huh? It's funny how on multiple time frames, you'll start to see the same stuff, right? And when the same pattern shows up on multiple time frames, that makes the pattern more powerful. So we don't know what's going to happen next week. You've got a few things that are kind of contradicting each other. One, you think this is kind of a reversal pattern, maybe, possibly. But you also have the moving averages getting ready to cross up, right? So we'll just have to kind of wait and see. And then we'll always check the monthly. The longer the time frame, the more information. And this is another reason why I was so short. And if you see these moving averages are getting ready to cross. So, but you got to think, these may not cross for another 2 months, right? It might be the end of next month, right? So that's why when I do those plays, I give myself 4 months. So I had 4 months for a 2-month move, right? Always a margin for safety there. But as far as the dip buying, there's just not a lot going on, man. So enjoy your time. This is a great time to study up. Another thing I suggest you do is you can go back in time. So you can use any charting software you want. I use this one; it's free. But you can see here, this was hit the scanner right here. You see how it went below the purple? Rip. Here's another one. See it? Below the purple. Look at price. Ripped right up. I don't think I like these new lines and all this junk in the middle of the chart, but I'll have to mess around. If anybody knows any better indicators, send me a text or something. Here's another one. See how it started to break the purple? And then it ripped. So if you didn't get out by here, which you should have, you're out right here. So yeah, just go through the charts like this. If you want to, you can close your eyes and scroll way back. And then if you use the arrow keys, you can go one candle at a time. So I can't see very good. There's not much price action here, but you can go one candle at a time as if the market is playing out right in front of you. Okay? Because when you make a trade, you don't have all of the information. When you look back to a trade, you can see if it worked or not, right? But here you can just see nothing going on. Oh, we're starting to break down. And we're looking, oh, there you go. Big red candle. We're down here, your RSI. And we'll be looking. And there you can see you're out. You're out right here. So you can do some exercise if you're bored, but the biggest thing is to just stay patient. I mean, this is not something where you work harder and you make more money. It just isn't. You can only take what the market gives you. So right now the market's not giving a whole lot. I'm scraping together a few pennies here and there, but we're just waiting for bigger opportunities to come down the pike. And when they come all at once, right? Because most stocks follow the market. So when the market's in our prime areas for buying stuff, there'll be all kinds of options. So then it'll be a factor of, do you have any money, right? So if you got bored and had FOMO and been buying last week and you don't have any in cash to buy more, game over. You got to wait or you got to add more money. So hopefully that feeds in. Hopefully I'll have a great weekend. Not a whole lot to discuss. Like I said, I'm still hoping we can get some good stuff on the scanner and actually have a position that doesn't go well right off the gate so we can have some discussions about how I like to manage my positions, and maybe you can use that in your strategy. So hope y'all had an awesome day. Have a good weekend. Be safe, and we'll see you next week.